Mmhmm. This is so easy to make and so versatile, I think the Pita Chips Mafia might put a hit out on me for sharing this recipe with you all. The next time you're having a little house line, my family get together, and you're thinking about serving some chips and dip, this is the perfect thing to try, and it can be tweaked to your own liking in countless ways. With no time to waste, when I add 3 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl, fine thyme, rosemary, add a tablespoon of salt, black pepper, onion powder, paprika. When I combine the dry ingredients, add 1 cup of olive oil to the mix, and you want to mix that until the flour is completely coated with the oil. Add a half cup of water and mix. Knead it until it forms a smooth dough, and you want to let it rest for 5 minutes. Divide the dough into equal parts. And you want to roll it out as thin as possible. The thinner the better. It'll cook faster and it'll get crispier. Cut into the desired shape you like. You want to bake in an oven preheated at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden brown, texture like sun. Once the chips are out of the oven, you want to allow them to cool completely before you place them in a basket or container so that they maintain the crispiness. And you can enjoy this in so many ways. I had it with salsa, tuna salad, cheese paste, passion fruit butter. But for this video, I made hummus. I guarantee you once you try this recipe, you'll never buy flatbread or pita chips ever again in life. Full recipes on eatahfood.com. And if you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, give it a share. And if you do try it, post your pictures to Instagram and Facebook and tag us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mmhmm.